Time is the one thing we can never get back. Or so we thought. For years, I've been chasing the impossible, a way to bend time itself. And tonight, I think I've finally done it.
You shouldn't be here. The Chrono Core wasn't meant to be activated. You fractured the timeline.
Who are you? What happened to the world?
I'm someone who's been fighting to fix what people like you keep breaking. The Chrono Core doesn't just let you travel through time, it rewrites it. And every change creates a ripple. If we don't fix this, reality itself will collapse. You'll need to be careful. The Wardens won't hesitate to erase you from existence if they catch you. And there's something else, someone else. A man named Dr. Alaric Voss. He's been hunting the Chrono Core for decades. If he gets his hands on it, he'll rewrite history to suit his own twisted vision.
Why me? I didn't ask for this.
You created the core. That makes you the only one who can fix it. But you're not alone. I'll guide you as best as I can.
How do we get past that thing?
Distract it. I'll handle the rest.
If we fail, this is what happens, isn't it?
Worse. If the timeline collapses entirely, there won't be a future or a past. Just nothing.